Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to review another website, fetchhot.com. So if you are curious to know about the legitimacy of this website, watch the video till the end, because today we are going to share an unbiased review on this website. So let's check out the details of this website. It is an online store that is United based, offers different types of bras, that it claims to offer huge discount on products over 50% off on selected products. In addition, the website also presents special offers such as buy two and get one free, which does seems exciting and worth giving a try, as it is offering fantastic discounts and offer. But before making any online shopping, you must review the website and check out its legitimacy. It was registered on 7 January 2021. They are having the option of newsletters. They are accepting just PayPal. No official address have been mentioned. The email address that is mentioned on their official portal is not matching the domain name, which is negative point. They have mentioned their contact details. The positive features of FetchHot are the HTTPS secured website. The email address and contact numbers are mentioned. Customer can purchase bras, and the website has a good design. Free shipping is available over the specified order, and newsletter is available, and 10% off is there on signing up. Negative features of FetchHot are the website has a very low trust score. Its domain was created just before 7 months, on 7th January 2021. The negative reviews of the customer could be found on social media. The address is not provided on the official site, and only one payment method could be found, that is PayPal. So the question is FetchHot bras are legit or a scam? So we are checking the details of this website in depth. As we were discussing, its trust score that is just 8%, and which is very bad. It is newly created website, just 7 month old, like it does not complete its 1 year even. It has a trust rank about 58.2, but the website does not contain any reviews of the customer, and the shipping and return policies are appropriately mentioned. So as we all know, customer reviews are a good help to decide either the website is legit or a scam, but we are unfortunate that we could not find customer reviews. So by considering all these points, we recommend that our viewer must do their own detailed research for at their own end before using this website, and we can conclude that the website legitimacy is questionable with a very low trust score. So we would not recommend you all to buy anything, and if you have any experience of shopping from this store, please do share your experience with us and tell us how was your experience, and if you got scam, please check out how you can return your money from this store.